Good morning, students. Okay. Today my presentation is about properties of a pyrrole. Okay, this is the structure of a pyrrole. Okay, in these properties we will discuss about physical and chemical properties of a pyrrole. Okay, first one, that is physical properties. Okay, pyrrole is a colorless liquid. And it boils at 131 degrees centigrade temperature. That means boiling point is 131 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, and it turns brown when it exposed to air. Turns brown exposure to air. Okay, and this pyrrole is smells like chloroform. Smells like chloroform. Okay. And this is sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly soluble in water. And dissolves in ethanol and ether. And here the pyrrole, the boiling point of pyrrole is more than thiophene and furan. Okay, the boiling point of furan is 33 degrees centigrade temperature and thiophene is 75 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, the pyrrole is having high boiling point. Okay, this is because it contains intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in pyrrole. Okay, these are the physical properties of pyrrole. And next, let us see the chemical properties. Okay, in these chemical properties, first we know the acidic nature of pyrrole. Acidic nature of pyrrole. Okay, this pyrrole behaves as a weak acid. Okay. Weak acid. Okay, when it reacts with the KOH and also Grignard reagents, it gives corresponding salts. Okay, for example, this is pyrrole. Okay, this pyrrole when react with KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, it is converted into pyrrole potassium salt. Minus and K plus by the elimination of water molecule. See here, okay, if the bond is present in between potassium and oxygen is breakdown, okay, potassium gets a positive charge and oxygen gets a negative charge, and the bond is breakdown between nitrogen and hydrogen, nitrogen gets a negative charge and hydrogen gets a positive charge. Okay, and the negatively charged this OH group abstract this proton and it is eliminated as a water molecule and K plus. Okay, N minus and K plus. This is called pyrrole potassium. Pyrrole potassium salt. Okay, and also the pyrrole NH. Then react with the Grignard reagent. Here I am taking alkyl magnesium bromide. Okay, and it is converted into pyrrole magnesium bromide salt. N minus pair of electrons and MgBr plus by the elimination of RH. RH means here alkane. This is called pyrrole magnesium bromide, which is also a salt. Okay, here the bond is breakdown. R gets a negative charge and Mg gets a positive charge. And here also the bond is breakdown. Nitrogen gets a negative charge and hydrogen gets a positive charge. And this R minus negative charge abstract this proton and it is eliminated as alkane. And next, okay, and here N minus and also MgBr is converted into pyrrole magnesium bromide salt. Okay, this is the acidic nature of pyrrole. And next, let us see the electrophilic substitution reactions in pyrrole. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, the electrophilic substitution reactions are mainly takes place at C2 and C5 positions of pyrrole. Okay, this is because the formed this carbonium ion in this stage is more stable than the C3 and C4 positions. So here, if the electrophile is attacked at the C2 position, it gives 3 resonating structures, and if the electrophile attack at the C3 position, it gives only 2 resonating structures. That's why the electrophilic substitution reactions are mainly takes place at C2 and C5 positions of the pyrrole. Okay, in this first one, that is nitration reaction. Pyrrole, when react with cold nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride, it is converted into 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, this is the structure of pyrrole. Okay, this pyrrole react with nitric acid. Okay, nitric acid is HNO3. Okay, I am writing like this, HONO2. Okay, this is cold nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride. CH3CO taken twice O. Okay, and it is converted into NHNO2 by the elimination of water molecule. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is called 2-nitropyrrole. 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, see here. the bond which is present in between oxygen and nitrogen is breakdown. Okay, nitrogen gets a positive charge and oxygen gets a negative charge. And I am highlighting one of the hydrogen from second position of the pyrrole, and the bond which is present in between this carbon and hydrogen is breakdown. Carbon gets a negative charge and hydrogen gets a positive charge. And the negatively charged this OH abstract this proton and it is eliminated as a water molecule, and the carbon which contains a negative charge is abstract this electrophile and it is converted into 2-nitropyrrole. Okay, this is a nitration. And second one, sulfonation reaction. Okay, pyrrole react with sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. It is converted into pyrrole to sulfonic acid. Okay, let us see the equation. This is the structure of pyrrole. React with sulfur trioxide. Okay, in presence of pyridine. Okay, at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, it is converted into H, SO3H, and this is called pyrrole to sulfonic acid. Okay, this is a sulfonation reaction. Okay, next property, that is a hallucination reaction. Hallucination reactions. Okay, in this first one, chlorination. Pyrrole react with sulfonyl chloride, okay, in presence of ether at 0 degree centigrade temperature. It is converted into 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, this is a pyrrole react with SO2Cl. Is called sulfuryl chloride in presence of ether at 0 degree centigrade temperature. Is converted into NH double bond Cl Cl. Okay, I am giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. Okay, and next one. In hallucination, next one, iodination reactions. Iodination. Okay, pyrrole react with iodine in presence of aqueous potassium iodide. It is converted into 2, 3, 4, 5 tetraiodopyrrole. Okay, pyrrole react with iodine and also potassium iodide, which is in aqueous state, is converted into NH I and I. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Tetra iodopyrrole. Okay, these two are hallucination reactions. Okay, next one, Fredelkraft acylation reaction. Fourth one, Fredelkraft acylation reaction. Okay, in Fredelkraft acylation reaction, the pyrrole react with the acetic anhydride at 250 degrees centigrade temperature. It is converted into 2-acetyl pyrrole. This is pyrrole react with the CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is called acetic anhydride. Okay, at 250 degrees centigrade temperature, it is converted into NH C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is called 2-acetyl pyrrole. Okay, and here the bond is breakdown. Oxygen gets a negative charge and this carbon gets a positive charge, and here also the bond is breakdown. Hydrogen gets a positive charge and carbon gets a negative charge, and the negatively charged oxygen atom abstract this proton and it is eliminated as acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid, and the negatively charged carbon atom abstract this electrophile and it is converted into 2-acetyl pyrrole. Okay, this is a Fredelkraft acylation reaction. And next one, that is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In this, the pyrrole react with the chloroform. In presence of aqueous potassium hydroxide, it is converted into pyrrole to aldehyde. Okay. This is pyrrole react with the CHCl3. It is also called as chloroform. Chloroform. In presence of potassium hydroxide, it is converted into NHCHO. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is called pyrrole to aldehyde. Pyrrole to aldehyde. Okay, and next reaction, that is Kolbe-Smith carboxylation. Okay, in this carboxylation reaction, pyrrole react with the potassium carbonate, aqueous potassium carbonate, and it is converted into pyrrole to carboxylic acid. Pyrrole react with the K2CO3 is called potassium carbonate. okay, which is aqueous bed, and it is converted into NHCOOH. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a pyrrole 2 carboxylic acid. Okay. These are electrophilic substitution reactions. And next, pyrrole is also undergo diazo reaction. Okay, in this reaction, pyrrole react with benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, it is eliminates HCl and it is converted into 2-phenyl azopyrrole. This is pyrrole react with Cl N double bond N C6H5. It is called, this one is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is converted into N double bond N C6H5. Okay, is called phenyl azopyrrole. Okay, see here I am highlighting one of the hydrogen, and this Cl and H is eliminated as a HCl minus HCl, and the azo compound is act as a electrophile, and the negative charge which is present on the carbon atom abstract this electrophile, and it is converted into phenyl azopyrrole. Okay, these are the chemical properties of pyrrole. Thank you.